best recipe for tofu, and we call it Eddie Shepherd. Eddie is a veggie chef from Manchester, very creative, wonderful. You can learn a lot from him, which is what I did. And this is from Eddie's first book, which is very hard to find. Maybe impossible, but I keep it with me, and I've been doing this recipe for years. Best recipe for tofu. The recipe is a little bit simplified, and it is really to remove some ingredients, put less sugar, not really simplified in terms of technique, which there isn't much technique anyway. So the first thing is to prepare the onions. I'll be using blueberries, in this case frozen blueberries, but you can use any fruits really. You can just try different combinations. Black forest fruits, you can try with even with cherries. I sometimes make it with blackcurrant, whatever I have, but it is original, it's with blueberries anyway, and I happen to have blueberries now, so that's what I'm going to do. So in a little bowl, which is my Vitamix bowl, because I will blend it. But of course, you may, choose alternative methods. But basically, I fill it in with blueberries. Okay, like this. Now, I add sugar to them. How much? I usually don't measure, but for you I will measure. I will add 2 of these. Okay, so salt, look how much I've put in. The last ingredient is called vinegar. So here you can again experiment with different vinegars. I usually use what I have available. Rice vinegar right now and cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Right, so doesn't really matter. They will of course have different taste. You can just experiment. So you put some vinegar here. Right. Later on, I may add more. You're going to see it when I add this actually mixture here to the onion. We might need to add some more vinegar at that time, depending on the bowl we use, the onion we use, but basically that's about it. And now I'm going to blend this. It is ready here. Now I'm going to peel off the onions. I need to slice them. So you can use any onions. You can use jar. If you have a fancy jar with a lid, it's ideal, because of course you can then store it there in the refrigerator. Other things like this. Mix it a little bit. But basically this liquid was sufficient to submerge and cover the onion. This thing is now ready. It's going to the refrigerator and we'll spend some time there, about 6-7 hours. Time for me to do the cooking now. Firm tofu. This is the brand that I'm using, but any firm tofu will do. I have about 700 grams here. This is a pack and a half of this one. About 300 grams of cherry tomatoes. Spring onion, that's my produce and that's all I got, so I'll have put a little bit more. Olive oil and soy sauce. The prep for this is super easy. Just chop the tomatoes in half, chop the onion, and now here I have the tofu. All I need is just make crumble my hands like this. Now I turn the top on and I'm going to add the oil. I cook this on relatively high heat. And now the oil, it likes oil, but I don't know, 4 tablespoons, something like that. Now I'm going to cook it for a few minutes, and after that I need to have my soy sauce handy. It's been 4 minutes already. I'm stirring it from time to time, almost all the time, but carefully, trying not to break these chunks. It sticks at some part. I try to scrap that. So the idea here is that I dehydrate the tofu as much as possible. So then when I add the soy sauce, it gets soaked by the tofu and gives the tofu some good taste. Has passed already. So now I'm going to add the soy sauce. About 4 tablespoons of soy sauce now. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now mix well. About 3 minutes. Now I need to keep cooking it. So it's been about 2 minutes, but it's already okay. And now 2 more minutes. I'm not sure if you can see, but the colors are excellent. It just looks really, really good. And it smells also really nice. Now I can turn the heat off. All I need to do is to wait for it to cool down a bit, and then I'm going to serve with the marinated onion. Pickled onion now. It is beautiful. And this is our Eddie Shepherd with salad.